Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered what it takes to make a woman completely obsessed with you, you're in the right place. And no, we're not talking about tricks or manipulation. This is about becoming the kind of man that naturally draws women in, the one they can't stop thinking about. But here's the thing. Attraction is not all about your bank account or looking like a movie star. In fact, science and psychology say otherwise. Women are often captivated by qualities that go far beyond the surface. So buckle up, because today we're diving into 16 powerful tips that can make her obsess over you in the best way possible. Ready? Let's get started. Number 1. Take her on an adventure. Ever noticed how adrenaline-fueled experiences bring people closer together? Studies show that heightened emotional states, like the thrill of a roller coaster ride, can amplify attraction. It's called the misattribution of arousal. She may subconsciously associate those butterflies with you. Invite her on an adventurous date. Whether it's an amusement park, a rock climbing session, or kayaking, the shared experience will create a strong emotional connection. Plus, you'll stand out from the usual coffee or dinner dates. And if she's already interested, this can deepen her attraction. But remember, if you're already in a physical relationship, emotional adventures like spontaneous road trips or trying new activities together can have the same impact. Number 2. The power of mystery. Let's face it, people are naturally drawn to what they can't fully understand. When you leave a little to the imagination, it triggers curiosity. Studies have shown that uncertainty often fuels attraction. Instead of laying all your cards on the table, allow some mystery to linger. Be authentic, but don't overshare too soon. Maintain a life of your own, pursue hobbies, and be passionate about your goals. When she senses you're a man with a purpose, she'll want to know more. The key? Give her just enough information to spark interest and keep her wanting more. The chase isn't just for men. Women enjoy it too. Number 3. Stay calm under pressure. Confidence is magnetic, and nothing screams confidence like a man who handles challenges with grace. Women are naturally attracted to men who remain composed in stressful situations. It signals emotional strength and leadership. Practice mindfulness, regulate your emotions, and face obstacles head-on. If you're with her and something unexpected happens, like a delayed reservation or a flat tire, stay calm and collected. Your ability to handle problems without losing your cool will leave a lasting impression. Plus, a man who can laugh in the face of adversity? That's irresistible. Number 4. Flash that winning smile. Your smile is one of your most powerful tools. Research shows that a genuine smile makes you appear more attractive, trustworthy, and approachable. But it's not just about flashing those pearly whites. It's about radiating warmth and positivity. Good dental hygiene is essential, so take care of your teeth. A clean white smile signals health and self-care. If you're self-conscious about your teeth, consider whitening treatments or aligners. Remember, a confident smile can brighten any room. And it's one of the first things she'll notice. Number 5. Master the art of humor. Laughter is a universal connector. A great sense of humor signals intelligence and confidence, making you instantly more attractive. In fact, women consistently rate humor as one of the top traits they find appealing in men. The key? Keep it light and authentic. Playful teasing, witty banter, and clever observations will create an enjoyable and memorable experience. But remember, timing is everything. Know when to crack a joke and when to be serious. When she's laughing with you, she's bonding with you. And that's a fast track to obsession. Number 6. Sport your sexy shadow. Facial hair can be a game changer. Studies show that many women prefer a little stubble over a clean-shaven face or a full beard. A short beard exudes masculinity without appearing unkempt. It's the perfect middle ground. But why is this so attractive? A bit of facial hair highlights your jawline, adds ruggedness, and signals maturity. It conveys confidence and strength without saying a word. Keep it well maintained. A sharp jawline with the right amount of stubble can instantly enhance your look. And remember, personal grooming matters. Trim regularly, keep it clean, and moisturize your skin to maintain a polished appearance. Your sexy shadow might just be the feature that has her thinking about you long after you've said goodbye. Number 7. Nail the look. Dressing well isn't about wearing designer brands. It's about understanding your body, choosing outfits that complement your style, and presenting yourself with confidence. First impressions are powerful. Studies suggest that women often judge a man's attractiveness within seconds of meeting him, and how you dress plays a huge role. Fit is key. Clothes that are tailored to your body will always elevate your appearance. Stick to timeless classics: a well-fitted blazer, clean jeans, and polished shoes. Even a crisp wit. ET can look stylish if it fits well. And don't underestimate the power of accessories. A quality watch, stylish sunglasses, or a subtle bracelet can add that extra touch of sophistication. When you dress like you respect yourself, others will naturally follow suit. She'll notice, and she'll remember. Number 8. Intelligence is VIP. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to impress a woman, but intellectual curiosity is undeniably attractive. Women value men who can hold stimulating conversations, offer new perspectives, and engage in meaningful discussions. Read. Stay informed. Develop opinions on various topics, from current events to pop culture. But remember, it's not about dominating the conversation. Listen actively and show genuine interest in her thoughts. Confidence in your intellect is key. If you can discuss your passions and articulate your ideas with clarity, you'll stand out. A man who's constantly learning and growing is irresistibly attractive. Number 9. Focus forward, with goals. A man with a sense of direction is magnetic. Women are naturally drawn to men who have purpose and ambition. It's not about having millions in the bank. It's about knowing what you want and pursuing it with determination. Set clear goals for your career, health, and personal growth. Not only will this give you confidence, but it will also make you incredibly attractive. When you're passionate about something, that energy becomes contagious. But don't just talk about your goals. Take action. Women respect a man who follows through on his commitments. Your drive and resilience will inspire her, and she'll naturally want to be a part of your journey. Number 10. Be sincere and thoughtful. Sincerity is often underrated, but incredibly powerful. Women can sense when a man is being genuine. When you show kindness without expecting anything in return, it leaves a lasting impression. It's the little things that count. Remember her favorite coffee order. Ask about her day, or send her a thoughtful text just because. These gestures demonstrate emotional intelligence and attentiveness. Also, pay attention to her love language. Some women value words of affirmation, while others appreciate acts of service or quality time. Understanding what makes her feel special will deepen your connection and make her obsess over you. Number 11. Let her know she's unique. Everyone loves to feel special, and when you make a woman feel like she's one of a kind, it creates a powerful emotional bond. Compliment her in ways that go beyond her looks. Acknowledge her talents, ambitions, and the small things that make her who she is. But here's the trick. Be specific. Instead of saying, "You're beautiful," say, "I love the way your smile lights up a room." Genuine compliments show that you're paying attention, and that makes her feel truly seen. When a woman knows she's valued and appreciated, her attraction to you will deepen. Number 12. Knock her down a few notches. This isn't about being rude or disrespectful. It's about playfully challenging her and showing her that you're not intimidated. Confidence is incredibly attractive, and when you don't place her on a pedestal, she'll respect you more. Teasing her in a lighthearted way builds tension and chemistry. Just be mindful of the line between playful banter and hurtful remarks. The goal is to spark laughter and create a fun, flirty dynamic. A woman who sees you as someone with self-assurance and a sense of humor won't be able to resist you. Number 13. Master emotional connection. Women are emotional creatures. While physical attraction is important, emotional intimacy is what truly makes her obsessed. Be vulnerable. Share your thoughts, fears, and dreams. Create a safe space for her to open up to. Listen without judgment and show genuine empathy. When she feels emotionally connected to you, her attraction will grow stronger. The key is consistency. Emotional connection isn't built overnight. Stay present, be attentive, and nurture your bond. Number 14. Use reverse psychology. Reverse psychology is a subtle but powerful tool in the dating world. Women often find themselves more intrigued by men who are slightly unpredictable and don't follow conventional dating patterns. When you're not overly available or constantly seeking her validation, she'll naturally start wondering about you. This creates a sense of curiosity and excitement. The key is to maintain a sense of mystery without being distant or dismissive. For example, instead of showering her with constant compliments, occasionally pull back and let her wonder how you truly feel. When used sparingly, this keeps the spark alive and makes her crave your attention. However, remember that reverse psychology is not about playing mind games. It's about building intrigue and keeping the dynamic fresh. When done correctly, she'll find herself thinking about you even when you're not around. Number 15. Master the art of playful challenge. A little bit of playful teasing goes a long way. Women are drawn to men who can engage in light-hearted banter, challenge them intellectually and make them laugh. Playfully challenge her opinions, poke fun at her quirks, or engage in a friendly debate. This kind of interaction stimulates her mind and creates chemistry. It shows confidence, wit, and that you're not afraid to stand your ground. But balance is key. Always ensure your teasing is light and respectful. Pay attention to her reactions and adjust accordingly. The goal is to create a fun, flirty atmosphere that leaves her wanting more. And remember, women love a man who can handle a little teasing in return. So laugh, enjoy the moment, and let your playful side shine through. Number 16. Hold the sexy stare. Eye contact is one of the most powerful forms of nonverbal communication. A lingering, confident gaze can build undeniable attraction and create an electric connection. When you maintain eye contact, it signals confidence, interest, and emotional presence. It makes her feel seen and desired. Studies show that mutual eye contact increases feelings of attraction and intimacy. But how do you master the sexy stare? Start by holding her gaze a few seconds longer than usual. Add a subtle smile to soften the intensity. This combination is irresistibly charming. Avoid staring too intensely, as it can come off as intimidating. The beauty of eye contact is that it creates anticipation. It's a silent way of saying, "I see you, and I'm interested." So the next time you're with her, don't be afraid to lock eyes and let the chemistry build. And there you have it. 16 powerful ways to make a girl obsessed with you, all backed by science and psychology. But remember, the most important thing is to be genuine. Women are naturally drawn to authenticity, so embrace who you are while incorporating these strategies. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which of these tips resonated the most with you? Have you tried any of them before? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more insights, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Stay confident, stay curious, and go out there and make those connections. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.